In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make wavy text in Canva. This simple yet effective technique will bring a dynamic flair to your designs, making your text more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you're working on a poster, social media post, or digital banner, this effect can really make your typography pop. To begin, open your Canva project and select the text you want to apply this wavy effect to. Simply click on the text box within your design. This is an important first step because it tells Canva exactly which text element you want to transform. Once selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on the Effects option. A range of text styling options will unfold, offering a variety of ways to transform your text. For today, we're focusing on creating a wavy or curved text effect. Within the Effects menu, look for the Curve option. Clicking on it instantly changes your text, giving it a smooth arch appearance. While this initial curve is subtle, you can adjust it to your liking using the slider that appears. Move the slider to the right to increase the curvature. For example, setting the curve number to 51 creates a pronounced wave, adding depth and character to your text that would otherwise remain flat. Once your text is curved, you can take it a step further by duplicating the text box. Right-click on the text and select the duplicate option. This allows you to create a mirrored effect, layering the design to make it more visually interesting. Select the duplicated text and adjust the curve again, this time moving the slider in the opposite direction. Setting it to -51 will curve the text the other way, complementing the original wave and creating a balanced flowing effect. From here, you can play around with colors, fonts, and positioning to match your design's overall style. Try experimenting with gradient fills, shadows, or overlapping multiple layers to create a 3D illusion. You can also adjust the spacing between letters to further refine the look and make the wave appear smoother. With just these simple steps, you now have a professional looking wavy text effect that adds energy and movement to your designs. This technique is quick to implement but can make a huge difference in the overall impact of your project. Keep experimenting with different curve values, fonts, and duplication layers to create truly unique results. Happy designing!